Today's topic is shift reduce parsing. It is a bottom-up parsing which uses four actions. First one is shift, second is reduce, third is accept, fourth one is error. We illustrate this with an example. Consider the grammar as produces small a, capital B, E. A produces A, B, C, or B produces D. The sentence to be recognized is A, B, C, D, E. So what we will do in the bottom up parsing, we will start from the string and we will proceed to the start symbol S of this grammar, which is this S. So see this, how we will reduce this A, B, C, D, E. Here we will apply this reduction. A produces B. So this B will be replaced by capital A. We will get A, B, C, D. This is reduction. Here we are going to this by the reduction process. This is A, B, C, D, E. And we will use here production rule. A produces A, B, C. So this A, B, C will be reduced by A here. So we will get A, D, E. And here we will be using the production B produces D. So this D will be reduced by B, A, B, E. Here we will use the production rule as produces A, B, E. And we will get this is A, B, E. This is replaced by S. So this is the whole thing which will be reduced by S. I have gotten the start symbol S. So this string is recognized by this grammar. That is parsed one. Whatever the production rule we have used, if this I am going to use in the reverse way, so S produces A, B, E first, then we will be using this, then this will be the rightmost derivation. So reductions traces out the rightmost derivation in reverse. Next I have to explain this handle. A handle of a string is a substring that matches the right side of a production and whose reduction to the non-terminal on the left side of the production represents one step along the reverse of a rightmost derivation. It means handle will be always calculated for a given string that is substring of that string. Not every substring of a given string is a handle. It is only that substring whose reduction to the non-terminal on the left side of the production represents one step along the reverse of a rightmost derivation. Example, consider the grammar E produces E plus E, E produces E into E, E produces parenthesized E, E produces ID. And input string is ID1 plus ID2 into ID3. So how this string will be parsed using this grammar? So rightmost derivation is E produces E plus E, and then E plus E into E. Then this derives E plus E into ID3. Then this produces E plus ID2 into ID3. This produces ID1 plus ID2 into ID3. Underlined substrings are called handles. In these strings, the underlined substrings are handle. Of this string, handle is ID3. Of this string, E into E is the handle. Of this string, E plus E is a handle. So handle pruning, that is the reduction of the handle by the left side of the production rule. How this will be implemented? By using this stack. Shift reduce parsing uses the stack. So stack implementation of shift reduce parsing by an example. So the input string is id1 plus id2 into id3. This is ended by this dollar symbol, which is used to denote the end of the string. Stack will be empty, so the dollar symbol will be there, that to denote that stack is empty. Then next, so the action is first time it is shift. So shift means this front element will be shifted onto the stack, that is the pushing of the element, so $id1, and in the input the remaining input is plus id2 into id3 dollar. And here we will start reduce by e produces id. What is top on the stack, if that is going to be the handle, then we can reduce it by the a production rule, that is by e produces id. So we will get here $e, then plus id2 into id3 dollar. Then here we will shift, then we will get this plus will be shifted onto the stack $e plus id2 into id3 dollar. And here we will again shift, because the top of the stack is not a handle, so we will shift it e plus id2, and this is star id3 dollar. And now here in this string id2 is a handle, so we will reduce by e produces id, e plus e star id3 dollar. And here we will shift, so we will get $e plus e into, and the remaining input id3 dollar. Again we will shift, so e plus e into id3, and this is only dollar. Here we will apply reduce by e produces id, we will get e plus e into e dollar here, and reduce by e produces e into e. So this e into e will be reduced by e, we will get $e plus e here, and this will remain as dollar. Then again reduce by e produces e plus e, and we get here $e. Now the stack symbol is containing the start symbol at the top, and the input is now containing only dollar, that is input string has been finished. So this steps is going to be accepted, that is the string has been passed successfully. I tell you very frankly that every reduction and shift is not going to give you the accept state. This may lead to error. If this condition is not there, then this will lead to error. So always shift and reduce is not going to produce the accept, but in this case it is going to be the accepted. That's the all about the today topic.